posted this Canva tutorial on Instagram and it got over 40 million views and over 1 million likes. A lot of people requested a slower version, so in this video I'll show you how you can make this presentation using Canva. Okay, so we'll start with a blank project and then we'll go to elements, and here you're gonna look for quarter circle. That way you can get this quarter circle image placeholder. So first I'll make it a little bit smaller, and then let's duplicate this placeholder by holding down the Alt key on your keyboard and dragging it down like this. We'll need to create a full circle, so let's rotate it like this, and then let's duplicate these two shapes together so we have the rest of our circle like this. Perfect, so the next step is obviously to add our images to the image placeholders. People always ask me where I get my images from, and I usually get them from the own PowerPoint or Canva library. So in this case, for example, I just looked for an image of New York, and then to add it to the image placeholder, just drag it in like this. If you need to adjust the image, just double click on it and just move it and position it exactly where you want it. Okay, so once you have all of your images in the image placeholders, you're going to select everything and then click on group. So first I'll zoom out a little bit so you can see exactly what I'm doing, and then I'm going to make everything larger like this. Let's move the circle to any corner that you like. Just make sure that you can only see 1/4 of the circle. And then let's change the background color by clicking on this color wheel, and here you can select any color that you like. I usually go with the predefined color options from the photo. Okay, perfect. So now we'll go again to elements, and here we're gonna search for a circle, and let's just select the circle from the predefined shapes. So first we'll make sure to match the color to the background color that you already have. Next, let's make it larger like this and move it to the same corner where you added your image, so it looks something like this. And then on the space on the right hand side you can add your text. So for example, here I'm using the font Anton for the titles, and I'm using the font DM Sans for the body text. Perfect, so let's duplicate the slide with Ctrl D on your keyboard, and you're going to rotate the circle that we did earlier until it reveals the next image. Of course, the next step is to replace the text, because this text doesn't belong here anymore. And you can leave the same background color, but I like to change it because I think the effect will look a lot nicer. So for this slide, I'll choose this teal color, and let's replace it on the circle as well. As you can imagine, the rest of the process is pretty straightforward. You just need to duplicate the slide, rotate the circle, replace your content, change the background colors if you like. But honestly, this doesn't take much time. And once you have your 4 slides done, hover your mouse between 2 pages to add a transition, click on match and move, let's change the duration, and click on apply between all pages, and you're done. That's how easy you can create this presentation using Canva. You can download these exact same slides from the link in the description box of this video, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll see you next time.